solve t over 3 minus 1/2 equals 3t over 2 minus t over 5. This is another example of a problem that has fractions in the equation that we're trying to solve. So again, we need to multiply by the LCD to get rid of all of these fractions. In this case, the denominators are 3, 2, and 5, and so the LCD ends up being 30. That's the smallest number that is divisible by 3, 2, and 5. Let's distribute the 30 on both sides to see what we get. 30 times t is 30t, and 30t divided by 3 gives us 10t. Then we have minus 30 times 1/2. Well, 1/2 of 30 is 15. Or alternatively, 30 times 1 is 30, divided by 2 is 15. There's so many ways to do these multiplications. Now on the right-hand side, 30 times 3t gives us 90t, and when we divide that by 2, we get 45t. And then minus 30 times t is 30t, and when we divide that by 5, we end up with 6t. So once we multiply both sides by 30, we end up with an equation that no longer has any fractions, and it's easier to solve. Now, before we go ahead and try and subtract the same thing from both sides, we notice that we have like terms on the right that we can combine. 45t minus 6t is 39t. So we have 10t minus 15 equals 39t. Now we have everything as simple as it gets, and so we can focus on eliminating the variable from one side. We can subtract 10t on both sides of this equation to get rid of the t's on the left. This leaves us with negative 15 equals 29t. And then to get t alone, we divide both sides by 29. And this gives us negative 15/29 equals t, which is our final answer.